Let's start with voiceovers, a fantastic way to enhance your TikTok content. First, you need a video to add the voiceover to. Tap the Create button at the bottom, and your camera will activate. For this example, I'll choose a 30-second clip, but you can select any length. Start recording your video. Once done, you might want to record more, or if you're satisfied, tap the check mark in the bottom right. Now look to the right for the toolbar and tap the downward arrow. This will display all the tool names. Select Voices from the list. At the top of the screen, decide where you want your voiceover to start. Below, you have the option to apply filters to your voice. When ready, press record. Hold down the microphone button and start speaking your voiceover. I'm choosing to mute the original sound, so I'll uncheck that option in the bottom left. Release the mic button when you're finished recording. After recording, you can preview it by pressing the play button. If you're satisfied with your voiceover, hit it done in the bottom right. If this TikTok tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and share.